Let your eyes look straight ahead. Fix your gaze directly before you. Proverbs 4 verse 25. Be focused. Distraction is one of the enemy's quietest weapons. It won't always destroy you, but it will delay you. In a world full of noise, staying focused is a form of spiritual warfare. Eyes on Jesus, heart on purpose, hands on the work. Not every open door is your assignment. Not every voice deserves your attention. You can't chase everything and expect to arrive on time. Focus sharpens vision. Focus protects progress. Be focused on, become the sermon.